So, hello everyone and welcome back to Southern Biker and welcome to the first group ride of 2025. You joined me at 9 o'clock in the morning at a Shell garage and I'm here waiting for everyone else to turn up. Today I am with Will, who's on an MT-07 that has been in some of the bike meet videos from last year. And then we've got Jamie 1 and Jamie 2. One of the Jamies is either going to be on a Daytona or an SV650 and the other Jamie's on an ER6N. The street Kawasaki one. And then we're meeting a bunch of people that I don't know, but one of the other guys does. And then we're all riding to go get breakfast somewhere, and then hopefully going somewhere after that, maybe. We'll see. Depends. I mean, the weather's meant to be fine, but we'll see what happens. So, yeah, I hope you will enjoy it, and I'll cut back to you when everyone else turns up, I guess. Pretty much everyone's here, so we're getting ready to make a move. I think there's one other person that's going to join us later. Mr. Will is here. Everybody stop at the light, please. Burn! Oh my god! Red Bull! Red Bull! Red Bull gives you wings! Hey Jay.
Yo.
Do you see Oscar's applied for a Guinness World Record?
What's that all about?
I don't know. I want to know what the fuck is... you know the geezer who came down the box with that wheelie sim? Oh yeah. Yeah, he's applied for a Guinness World Record. Oh. Maserati's cut us up, bastard. Oh, rock on. You can't park there, sir. Can't park there, sir. Oh, you can't park there, sir. Yeah, sorry. It's because he's got a slick tyre and B, he's got a spare so he doesn't care anymore. So as long as the police don't pull him, he's fine? Yeah, exactly. I forgot how shit the mirrors are on this bike, especially the right one that comes loose. Sorry mate, they're better than mine. It's true. It's fine obviously, you don't legally have to have them. Fucking Riley rode Dan's Jixer down. Yeah. I put that on TikTok and it got fucking taken down immediately. Yeah, I put a video of me banging a wheelie on TikTok and that got taken down. I'm gonna turn.
Why does it get taken down?
Because it breaches the community guidelines. Dangerous activity and shit. And do you think TikTok's going to die off when it gets banned in America? Probably, hopefully. Damn, how will I draw people to YouTube now?
Instagram, like everyone else.
Yeah.
Or YouTube Shorts.
Yeah. You at YouTube Shorts, you can't upload landscape footage for a short. It's well annoying.
Gravel. There's gravel in the turn. Watch it.
All in the turn, ladies and gentlemen.
Oh, look at him. He's doing counting on his fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
He's evolving.
Wet muddy roads. Scary. Wet puddle. Ah, puddle. I don't want to hit the boots. We have a car.
Oh, this car is splooshing. How is Jamie going to meet? Oh, I guess he's going to have to meet us after we get here.
Yeah.
For some reason, I thought he meant he would get here before us and meet us.
No!
I was saying, that doesn't seem possible.
This bit.
This face looks familiar. Oh dear. Right, I'm waiting for it. Oh, gee. Oh.
Yeah, fuck it, it's pulling here. Woo.
Open my visor up so I can see a bit better.
Woo. Oh. Someone been doing a load of fishing in the fucking reservoir or something.
Yeah, it's me.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Over that part, way!
Oh yeah, there's a few potholes down here.
Whoa! And that, what's that on?
I'm going to slow down a bit.
Position 3, Jamie. And then after the one in position 3, you got one in position 1.
Weird. It works, but it's weird.
Do you think it will hold?
Yeah.
How much is the new one?
I don't know, because they're aftermarket, aren't they? I've still got my OEM one, so worst case I can put them on. I can put them on, but Danny's got toes, so have I, so I might have a crack at seeing if I can bend it.
What's the advantage of having a aftermarket like gear selector then? Where there's a change of
Shorter.
Oh, fairs.
Shorter. It looks better. That's it. It's purely aesthetic.
Yeah, personal preference.
Yeah.
I didn't even.
And I'm used to stubbies. Yeah, Jay's got proper. Yeah, he's got proper branded stubbies ASV.
Oh, okay.
Mine are like knockoff, cheapy ASVs.
My brake lever's still a cheap knockoff.
Woo!
Got an OEM clutch lever and a fucking knockoff brake lever. But
the other two at the back, by the way.
Uh-oh.
Who's that behind you? Is that Jamie?
That's Jamie behind me.
Okay.
So I'm sure they'll catch up.
Most likely.
Where's he going?
Oh, he's blocking the road, isn't he?
Oh, there's no one behind us. They're not coming.
Well, they should be.
I ain't seen him for ages.
Car stopping. Okay, we're good.
Whoa!
Boop, boop. Billy bum. Are we just waiting for the others? Or are we getting off?
Oh, that's a bit better.
Right.
Yep.
Surely there's better places to run.
I know, right? I get the countryside's nice, but like, there's no pavement.
Not in the winter, look at it, it's fucking dismal.
Fucking Roy's still got his indicator on.
I know. Monkey.
Alright, I believe we're going to turn right in a minute, from what I remember seeing on Google Maps.
I remember this one. I've got a video of the SV here.
Yep. Turn him right.
Thought so. Mud in the turn.
Yep. Watch all this shit.
Mud in the road.
I just hit neutral by accident.
Haha. Right, I'm in third. Okay, now I'm in second.
Good road, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a bit bumpy.
Yeah.
Left
Sorry, left.
hill.
Yeah, what the fuck?
What a name.
That was scary.
Yeah.
I haven't got ABS. I don't like that.
Jamie, have you got ABS on the Daytona?
Nope.
You're like me, innit? Every bike you've had has had ABS.
No ABS, no fuel gauge.
No traction control.
I like my bikes to be bikes. No electronics.
Bro doesn't even want lights on his bike, realistically.
So why is it then you seem to have a lot of electrical problems with your bikes?
Shush.
Ah. My visor's all fogging up again.
That's why mine's up.
Kept mine open.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I
so-
want to, but then I'm going to get all fucking wind.
Well, yeah, you're riding along, mate.
Alright, calm down, yeah. Puppy! You can't.
Shit in the road.
Oh, shit in the
Shit in the road.
road. I have a feeling
Oh,
that
I
might be
made
how
my
that...
tyres skip.
Ah, puddle.
Puddle. Do you reckon that's how that Fiat's ended up over there?
Probably. Yep.
So I think... Is that a housing estate? No, that's a big fucking...
Jehovah's Witness, mate.
Oh shit.
Is that another car that's crashed?
Probably.
What do you mean another car?
Huh?
What do you mean another car?
Did you not?
Another one?
Did you not see the fucking Fiat back there, Jamie?
No.
Ah.
I didn't see anything.
Neither did I.
Neither did I.
Wait, none of you saw. Okay.
I think you're seeing things, Tom.
I've put it on camera. None of you saw the Fiat that had the hazard of the police aware, right where that mud was, where there was people with the dog. I think you're having me on, personally. I think you're having me on.
Nah, I think you got high off the second-hand smoke from that joint, mate. You're seeing things.
So I went down the road here, so I left when my back tyre was getting bored and I nearly slid out. I thought I'm either going to go in the ditch with the bike or I'm going to be on the road and the bike will be next to me sliding along.
Well, according to my bike, it's 2 minutes past midnight.
Is it? According to my bike, it's 11:42.
What the fuck?
Where did that guy come from?
I don't know, but he won't wait around. Go on, Tom.
Thank you. Ah, two of them didn't make it.
Why didn't they come with us?
Oh, I think we're here.
Yep.
Oh, that's the entrance. So we get there and they say they're closed. Fucking hell, it's not busy, is it?
Nah, good. It's what you want. Space indoors, free heat. Big fuck off tile.
Where's
That's
this
crater,
going?
bruv. What are you doing, bastard?
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
I wonder what this guy's doing.
Oh, fuck him.
Valid.
Oh, my hands are fucked again.
Oh,